Hey guys, it's GlamorGirl777 and today I'm going to be unboxing the Schleich Farm World set. I am so excited to open this, you don't even know. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Heads up, I am so sorry for the bad lighting because it's very dark outside right now, so yeah. So I just want to get into this because I really want to open this.
My arms hurt! So now I'm going to show you all of the little small accessories, including the horses and the rider, that came with this barn. And yeah, so the first thing that I got was this saddle and this bridle. I had this, but I traded it with my friend, so I'm basically getting it back. And it's brand new, so it's even better. Ooh, it's all shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny. Okay, next thing is this blanket with a halter. It's a little combo, I guess. So there's this blanket that I actually already have, so I might trade this. And then I might trade this too, because I also already have it. I have 2 of these already, so now I have 3. Ooh, okay. Then I have these 2 little hay bales. then we have all the food. So, if I pour this out like that, we have a pitchfork, a basket, carrots, red apples, 2 little things, and 2 piles of green apples. And then, I'm either going to paint it blue instead of pink, or I'm just going to trade it with one of my friends, but I have this rider that I already have in my Schleich collection, so yeah, I'll be either trading her or painting her. Wee! Okay, and then we got this adorable Mustang foal. He's super cute. I don't want to, like, rip the foal's head off by cutting it. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, there's a little stupid me. There's a dotted line down the middle. Okay, so we have this adorable Mustang foal. She is super cute. I think I'm gonna make it a boy though, but it's super adorable. Aww. And then we have our gorgeous Mustang mare. She's really pretty. Eee. So now basically what I'm gonna do is set my barn up with all the accessories and everything, or not all the accessories, but like you'll see. Yeah, you'll see.
So this is the finished barn, and you're going to see my Mustang mare and foal. The mare is Cookie, and her show name is Chocolate Chip, and the foal is Bolt. And I put some more of my horses in there and stuff, so yeah. And then the top of the barn can come off if you want to make it an arena, or if you just want to play in the barn without it in the way. And I put the little logo on there as well. Then all the food and crates and stuff I put back in my feed room to organize it a bit. So yeah. If you guys are wondering, I bought this all with my own money, and it was on sale. Usually it's $120, but it was on sale for $57.77, and that was a really, really good deal, so I got it at Tractor Supply in Groveland. So yeah, go check the store out. It's amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bye guys!